In this video, I will show you how to create an avatar video that speaks just like you. Make sure you watch till the end so that you don't miss any step. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Let's dive in. You are welcome back. So the first thing you need to do is to open ChatGPT. That is the first AI tool we're going to be using today. Okay, so there is a prompt I'm going to use, so I'll make sure the prompt is available in the description of this video. All right, so you will paste the prompts. You paste the prompt, you can copy and paste it here, and you click on this plus sign to add your photo. Okay, so you open your gallery. I want to make use of this photo. Okay, so we just click on it and you click on add. You can see that the picture is currently uploading. All right, when the picture is done, you will click on this place to send, and we are going to patiently wait for ChatGPT to generate the image. And as you can see, the image is currently generating. It's in process. Okay, so guys, our image is ready and this is what we have. You can see that it is amazing. Okay, so before we proceed, I want you to make sure you see this prompt. You see this prompt? This image is generated to be in 16:9 size. Okay, so if you want to use it as a portrait, this is where you will change it. You see this 16:9, your one will be 9:16. That is if you want to use it on maybe TikTok or Facebook Reels or YouTube Short or Instagram Reels. It must be in 9:16. You can still generate it like this. Maybe you will just, when you are editing, you will just change it there anyhow you want it. Okay, and for ladies that are watching this video, you see this place, a cartoon style male character, so you just change your own to female character. Okay, if you want it to be female. All right, so this is what we have now. The next AI we're going to be using is Hello AI. Okay, so you make sure you download this image. Okay, you just tap on it and download. Now let's go to the next AI. So this is the next AI we are going to be using, Hello AI. Okay, the link will also be available in the description of this video, so make sure you register. They will give you some points, and this is the point you are going to be using to generate the video. And of course, if you log in daily, they will be giving you, I think, about 60 credits every day. Okay, now when you are done with the registration, you click on video, then you click on image to video. Okay, so this is where you will upload your that image. This is where you upload. So you click here and you will locate it in your browser. So this is the image and you click on done. Okay, so we have successfully uploaded the image. Is loading. So you need to write some things here. You can say hand gesture and make it look into the camera while talking. Okay, so this is what I want to use. You can use any one of your choice. So here we want to generate, let us generate 2 quality. Okay, quantity, let's generate 2, so that we deduct 60 credits. So the reason why we are generating 2 is that if the first one is not good, we're going to make use of the second one. Okay, so you just click here. So as you can see, that 2 jobs in queue. So let us click on this space. Now we have this one is generating and this one is also generating. So the 2 are currently generating. We are going to wait patiently till the 2 is ready. All right,
a few moments later.
So guys, our video is ready. So if you're not in the pro version, it will take some little time to generate the video. Okay, so the first one and the second one is ready. So let us play it and see the best. Now this is the first one. I hope you can see the gesture. Okay, so that is the first one. Now let us check the second one. This is the second one. You also click on it so that it will open. I hope you have seen the second one. So now you can just then download any one of your choice. So for me, I think I will download this second one. So if you want to download, just click here. Now we have the one of watermark and we have the one of where you can remove this watermark. So if you subscribe to this AI, you can remove the watermark. But if you don't subscribe, don't worry, just download with watermark. Okay, so I'm going to download it with watermark. Now to the first one, if you need the first one, I think I will need this. You can also download the first one. So guys, after downloading the image, the next thing to do is to go and generate an audio, and we are going to be using the last AI to animate the audio into the video. Okay, so let's get started without wasting much time. So guys, the last AI you are going to be using for today's video is Dreamface. So just make sure you go to Play Store or Apple Store to download the app. Okay, so when you are done, you will just click on video lip sync. Okay, so when you click on it, you will now upload your avatar video. Okay, so you click on avatar, you click on this avatar and you will select the video you want to upload. Okay, so for me, I think let me go for this first one. You click on confirm to upload it. So this is the video. Now the remaining thing is to use voice, to put in the voice we want to use. Now is either we have some options. Is either you click on add scripts to continue. Is either you type your script here, or you should upload your audio. If you have audio to use, you just click on import. So when you click on that import, it will direct you to your gallery. Then you will select the audio that you want to use. For me, I want to just use this one. Okay, so the audio has been uploaded and you will click on confirm at the top. So when you click on confirm, it will direct you back to your space. So you will click on animate. So when you click on animate, the audio will begin to process. Okay, so as you can see, so when you are done, you will download the video.
2,000 years later.
So guys, our video is ready, so let us play and see. In this video, I will show you how to create an avatar video that speaks just like you. Make sure you watch till the end so that you don't miss any step. And if you haven't subscribed, you can see the animation is ready. Okay, but it comes with watermark, so don't bother about your watermark, just download the video. So in the last step, I'm going to be showing you how you can ride off with the watermark. So just click on download to download the video. So the last phase, you will open your CapCut and you click on new project. Okay, so you will go and look for the video in your gallery. So you select the video and you will click on add. So let us play and see. In this video, I will show you how to. So what you will need to do to remove the watermark, the first thing to do is to click on aspect ratio. So you select the size. For me, I'm selecting this 16:9 because I want to upload this video on YouTube. Okay, so you mark it. After that, you click on the video. Okay, and you select transform. So when you click on transform, you select resize and you will select 16:9. Okay, so you now drag your video. You can see the way I drag it. You just drag the video below. You can see that all the watermark has been cropped off. So you now click on this mark. Okay, so this is what we have. You can now adjust your video to the size of the frame. Now this is what we have. Let us play and see. In this video, I will show you how to create an avatar video that speaks just like. You can see that all the watermark has been cropped off. So this is how you will do in the remaining clips. Okay, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this was your first time here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.